gonna do a little bit of night driving, go get some content as I'm currently dry. We're just gonna go hoon around town, you know what we do best in our BMW. We're on stage 2+ tune currently, and we're gonna mix up some E50 fuel. Show you my current fuel level, pretty low. Because I was waiting to show you guys how I fill up on E50 specifically for this video. We'll go ahead and do that. We're at Shell right now, get some 93, mix it in, and we'll go from there. I'm running a boot mode tune currently by Pro Tuning Freaks, and I also have the flex fuel analyzer. So it attaches to the low pressure fuel pump beneath the back seat. That allows the tune to automatically adjust to whatever ethanol mix I have in the tank. But I go ahead and use this E85 mix calculator. I'll leave a link to it below. It's an app, it costs like a couple dollars. And so you pretty much put in your tank capacity, your percent that you have. With these tanks, it goes, each little line is 5%. So I'm literally at 15%. So I'll move that. And E85 ethanol content. So we'll go ahead and measure that at the pump, but usually it's been consistent 85, pure E85. So we'll leave it at that. 93 generally has 10% ethanol content. And we want target mix to be E50. And current mix, I can push down on my cruise control button and it'll adjust the RPM to the mix that I have. So currently we're at E41. So I'll put that, calculate, and it'll tell me how much of each mixture to add to get to E50. So go ahead and add about 6 gallons of 93 right now. All right, so we're at the Sunoco in Winter Park. This is the E85 race fuel plug. Apparently they have 100 octane now, which is pretty cool. But my tune is not ready for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the rest of my tank, E85, whip out my card from my Simply Carbon Fiber wallet. Yeah, I don't wanna go in, get a cup and get some water and test this E85, but if you don't have the flex fuel kit and you really wanna test the E85, or maybe you just do wanna test it, you can buy one of these off Amazon. I'll go ahead and link this in the description. So you pretty much just fill this up with water to this level, and then the rest E85, and then it'll pretty much tell you how much ethanol content is in your fuel. So that's a good way to test it if you don't have the flex fuel kit, and that way you can get the exact mixture that you want for your tune. Whenever you do fill up with a fresh mix of E85, you do want to drive around moderately, just normally cruise around, don't do any hard pulls or anything until your fuel or your RPMs actually adjust to the mixture. So as you can see here, when I'm pressing down, it's slowly going higher and higher. So this should read about E50, it might be E49, E51, but we'll get pretty close. Either way, it'll work. So we'll go ahead and drive around. Even if you don't have the flex fuel kit, it's always a good idea just to make sure that it mixes properly and that you don't destroy your engine. We'll head downtown Orlando, drive around, get some footage. Late night Orlando for you. Thank you, Uniden. Turbo noise sounds crazy. So that's like the dual res delete, Turner Motorsport, cold air intake, Remus muffler, catalyst downpipe. Wow, that last pull was a little bit much. But yeah, we're just doing a little nightly cruise to the neighborhood. Just need to drive my car more since I work from home pretty much. Nighttime's a good time to drive it. There's not many people out. I appreciate you watching this video. So to conclude, the Boo Mode Flex Fuel Kit makes it that much easier to run an E85 mix in your F chassis BMW. I definitely recommend this kit if you're going to be running the E85 mix quite often, because you don't have to go back and forth draining your fuel from 93 to an E85 mix, vice versa. And then you don't have to reflash your tune each time you change from different mixtures. Also, I hope you find the E85 mix calculator helpful. That's linked down below. And thank you all for watching this video. Smash that like button, hit subscribe for future content, and I will catch you all on the next one. Peace.